Hey there, food lovers, welcome back. You lot think you know about food, eh? Think you've got it all figured out? Well, think again. Today we're diving into some mind-blowing facts that might just change the way you think about food. We're talking about real, honest-to-goodness information that'll make you rethink every bite. So grab a snack, a healthy one, mind you, and let's get started. Ever looked at a plate of food and thought, this is boring as hell? That's because you're missing color, you donkey. Fruits and vegetables, they're not just pretty faces, you know. Each color is like a bloody signal, telling you what's good for you. Red fruits and veggies, now those are the real deal. They're like tiny superheroes, packed with antioxidants ready to fight off all the bad guys in your body. And green ones? Green means go, go, go. They're your personal bodyguards, boosting your immune system and keeping you fighting fit. And don't even get me started on those vibrant purple fruits and veggies. They're like brain boosters, sharper than a chef's knife, helping you stay focused and on top of your game. So next time you're staring at a plate of beige slop, remember this. Think foods, think rainbow, add some color for God's sake, and stop being such a lazy sod about your health. Your gut, you know that thing you stuff with burgers and chips? It's not just some bottomless pit, you know. It's more like a bloody secret garden, and it's teeming with bacteria. But hold your horses before you reach for the bleach. These are the good guys. These friendly bacteria are crucial to your health, you hear me? And the food you eat, well, that's their fuel, their fertilizer. You wouldn't put diesel in a Ferrari, would you? So why treat your gut like a garbage disposal? Probiotics and prebiotics, that's what we're talking about. Probiotics are like those little live cultures you find in yogurt and kimchi. They're the reinforcements, the good guys coming in to fight the good fight. And prebiotics, think of them as the food for the good guys, helping those probiotics thrive and multiply. So ditch the processed crap and load up on fermented foods, fiber-rich fruits and veggies, and whole grains. It's time to show your gut some bloody respect. We've all been there. Inhaling food like it's our last meal on earth. But listen up, you're not a bloody vacuum cleaner. Mindful eating, that's the ticket. It's like taking a first-class trip to Flavortown, savoring every single bite. Slow down, you numpty. Chew your food properly, for God's sake. Pay attention to the taste, the texture, the aroma. It's not a race, you know. By slowing down and really experiencing your food, you'll improve your digestion, feel fuller for longer, and actually enjoy your damn meal. Eating mindfully is like turning a mediocre dish into a Michelin star masterpiece. It's about quality over quantity, about appreciating every single morsel. So, put down your phone, switch off the telly, and for crying out loud, taste your food. Listen up, you dehydrated disaster. Water is the elixir of life, the holy grail of health. It's like the unsung hero of your body, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you functioning like a well-oiled machine. Hydration, temperature regulation, metabolism boost, glowing skin. Water does it all. It's like the WD-40 of your insides, keeping everything running smoothly. And the best part? It's calorie-free. That's right, you can guzzle down gallons of the stuff without feeling an ounce of guilt. So, ditch the sugary drinks, the fizzy nonsense, and the caffeine overload. Grab yourself a big glass of water and chug a lug. Your body will thank you for it. You think I'm joking, don't you? You think sleep's for the weak? Well, think again, you sleep-deprived donut. There's a bloody reason why you crave a greasy burger and chips after a late one. Your body's screaming for energy, and it's not going to be satisfied with a bloody kale salad. Sleep is like hitting the reset button on your body. It's your chance to recharge, repair, and come back stronger than ever. And when you're well rested, you're less likely to succumb to those sugar cravings and junk food binges. So put down the phone, turn off the telly, and get yourself to bed at a reasonable hour. A good night's sleep is like a superpower, giving you the energy and willpower to make healthy choices. Trust me, you need this, idiot. And there you have it, folks. 5 mind-blowing facts about healthy eating that'll send you running for the hills, or at least to the vegetable aisle. Remember, a healthy diet isn't about deprivation and misery. It's about balance, enjoyment, and treating your body with the respect it bloody deserves. So don't stress about perfection. Start small, make gradual changes, and find what works for you. And for God's sake, Enjoy your food. Life's too short to choke down flavorless gruel. Thanks for watching, you bunch of misfits. Now go forth and conquer those healthy eating goals. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more brutally honest advice.